Can I help you?
Hey, guys, back up. Let me go up first.
Stop, stop.
Hi.
How's it going, Mike?
How are you?
Good, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How can we help you? Speak out there.
Oh, yes, we just got a complaint from your neighbor.
Go ahead. What's the complaint?
Something about a survey flag being taken off.
Yeah. I'll get the survey for you.
No.
Bring that survey out, please. So, she's had problems with this gentleman for years.
Yeah.
We just looked at the survey, and from here over is her property. So he put a survey flag right there, and I took it and threw it in the garbage because this is her property.
Okay.
We're going over all the videos where he's vandalized her fence, constantly calls her a cunt and everything, blares us death metal all day long, and then has the nerve to file a restraining order against her.
Not only me, he's stalked somebody else over there, and he's making threats left and right. I come in and out with the video.
How are you?
Because it's not safe.
Hi,
The
how you doing?
electricity
Good.
goes out,
What's your name?
I leave.
Priscilla.
Because he goes
Priscilla,
out.
nice to meet you.
Did you take videos or photos before you removed the flags?
Did I what?
Did you take photos or videos before you removed the flags?
Yeah, we were looking. See if you see the survey here.
Did I didn't remember.
I
the
did.
flag.
I did.
Oh, you mean the
And then
flag?
he'll get on his bullhorn. So from here over is hers, as you can clearly
But
see
he's
right here.
moved that flag back and
So,
forth.
was this a fence here before?
Used to be. According to that, you see it says 4 foot
Oh, so
fence.
he built a fence, but he left a couple inches over.
I don't know
up
what
to
he
there.
does because he moves it back and forth. I don't know where
Okay.
the boundary is.
It's crazy. It's crazy when neighbors don't get along. Right?
For me, it's like I just
Yep.
want somebody to tell me what's mine. I think mine was not mine. I don't want it.
Here's
I
the
know it
survey
is
right
anything,
there.
It's not mine.
Yeah, I can't. I mean,
I don't even understand. There's nothing to
You
talk
see where it says
about.
4 foot
You know,
fence?
it's a line.
Yeah.
What's mine is mine. What's his is
Wait,
his.
yeah, we're looking at it right. You see it says 4 foot fence?
yeah, but I mean, I can't.
So there's the 4 foot fence. This, so you can see it's about 4 feet tall. And then there's the red line is to the right of that, right?
It's hers.
It's hers, yeah. So we took that flag that he put on her property and dropped it right in that garbage can. And then he called the police. Yeah, he's a lunatic.
All right.
I really don't know because he keeps moving the boundary.
You see how he's acting like a lunatic?
Yeah.
All right. Well, this isn't gonna help.
No, I know.
So,
Don't answer him. Don't
I'm not.
answer him.
yeah. So
I'm not.
We're gonna just give the flag back to him because he seems to.
He can have his flag, but if he keeps putting it on her property, the same thing's going to keep happening. Here, you can have his flag.
Pushed all that in here. He's pushed
So just
all that
let
in
him.
there.
You guys just saw the survey from here. This railroad tie over is hers. That fence is his.
You
And
know where to put.
there's plenty of video of him destroying stuff.
No, front yard and backyard.
Yeah, see, he can't even have a conversation. He's crazy. There you go. I'd love to have a normal conversation, but he's been harassing her for years.
All right. Well, what was your name, my friend?
Keep fucking my mom. You heard him? I need to keep fucking my mom. There you go.
What was your name?
My name is John.
Listen, don't let him.
I'm not
For
doing.
example, like words, right? Don't let the words bother you. 'Cause,
I'm not bothered, sir.
You know,
I'm all for free speech.
don't engage them.
No.
You know.
I'm literally talking to her, and he's calling me a fat. Go fuck my mother and stuff.
Yeah. All right.
So-
Well, we're gonna tell him to ease off. Sounds like you guys.
You
have
might
a-
want to show him this too.
I'll talk to him about it.
Yeah,
You guys
so-
have a court hearing tomorrow. For the
Yeah,
complaint?
he has the nerve to file a restraining order on her when we have tons of video of him damaging her property, constantly
guys-
coming over here. You can see he's not well.
Have you guys
Behavioral
filed
health. There you
against-
go. Behavioral health.
Have you guys filed one against her? And
She's tried, but the courts won't give it to her for some reason.
will they hold a petition like how
Can
she's
she?
got?
Let me ask you right here while we're here. Can she trespass him from her property right now?
No.
Why?
He's not on it.
What if we showed you video of him trespassing? That's not good
We
enough.
have to see him in the property physically.
So video doesn't cut it.
No.
Okay, that's
No.
surprising, but okay.
It's same for him. I think he's asked about that before. We can't trespass. We
Okay,
can't
that's fair enough, I guess.
But nobody trespasses on his yard.
Yeah.
Give him his
Nobody
flag back and let him
wants
go
to.
cry.
Nobody wants to be. It's like,
Yeah.
Now, what about disturbing the peace? He's blaring this 24/7.
Nighttime, call us.
During the day, he can do this. He can
Yep.
basically have a concert.
Yep.
Sorry.
I'm just asking. I'm not trying to start anything.
24/7.
I'm here as an advocate for her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But like, was it 8 p.m. right?
Oh, sorry, Jacqueline. Does he play the music at night too, Jacqueline? He's showing the behavioral health lady some video.
And they encourage people to come to my house and do stuff to my wife and I.
Everyone's doing something to him, but he's not doing anything to anybody.
He's messing with the police officers. He's disrespectful. He's a fat pig.
I'm a disrespectful fat pig. I need to go away with the camera. I'm recording from public, man. It's perfectly legal.
I'm the victim. Tell him to go away, ma'am. Okay, hold on. Do I have to come out there and remove him? Hold on.
He's threatening me.
You're agitating the situation.
Ma'am, I'm perfectly within my rights to do what I'm doing.
I'm trying to. No, you're not helping. You're agitating the situation.
I'm just getting about objective record.
Calm down. You're agitating the situation. Send them away, ma'am. They're over here. Go back. I'm trying.
Ma'am, I'm allowed to do what I'm doing.
Fuck you. You're invading his privacy.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Ask the officers. They'll tell you the law.
I'm trying to give him support.
Go ahead. Go inside. If you want privacy, ma'am, you have to go inside. That's the law. That's the law. I'm going to follow the law. I'm going to follow the law. Go ahead. Go inside. I'm going to follow the law.